Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about another YouTube Easter egg which is related to fidget spinners. So if I go to any video that has a title fidget spinner within it, you will see a special loading icon. So if I go to this video, you will see right here there is a fidget spinner instead of the loading icon. So this is the Easter egg, and it works on all YouTube videos that has fidget spinner in the title. So if it works for when the video is loading. And if I go to any regular video, so let's say trick shots, you will see this is the regular icon where is a circle, or there is a line going in circles instead of the fidget spinner circling. So I hope that you enjoy this little Easter egg, and hopefully you will notice when you watch fidget spinner videos. See you guys in the next tutorial.